So what I will do here is I will go here, please enter your choice. C is entered. I will print C. I'll say D equals int of C, which means now D will be, and let me remove this. This is not required. Why should I print C? I'll directly say D equals int of C. Now look at what I'm going to do next. If D is equal to 1 colon enter print you entered 1. That's it. And now I'll run this. You probably have no clue what I wrote here. This doesn't sound like English. This doesn't sound like mathematics. It doesn't sound like any language. And you are very bugged. I know it. But stay patient. Let's see what this does. Run. Hi, how are you? Please enter your choice. I say 1. It says you entered 1. Okay, let me figure out what this is doing. I'll repeat this once again. Run. Enter your choice. I press 2. And it shows nothing. Remember what we did with our Scratch program? Yes, you do remember. Right? Look at this. We used set C equals something, and then we said if C equals something, then do something. C equals 2, C equals 3, do something. Similarly, I am trying to do it using Python right now. Python is not as beautiful as Scratch, where we can simply drag and drop stuff here. You need to do some work. What is that work? You should type things that you want. What do you mean by that? Look at this. I say if D is equal to 2, then print you entered the number 2. Whatever you put here, it'll put. If I replace this by my name, it'll display my name. Now let me run this. Please enter your choice. I say 1. It says you entered 1. Let me run this once again. I say my choice. Enter your choice. I say 2. It will say you entered the number 2. Correct? Let me do more of this. If D is equal to 3, I will say, what should I say? Print you entered the number 3. No, that's very boring. I'll say, oh, I'm tired. Just like that for fun, I'm saying something else here. So let me run this. If my choice happens to be 1, it says you entered 1. If my choice happens to be 2, it says you entered the number 2. And if your choice happens to be 3, it will say you entered 3. No, that's because that's not what I'm saying here. As I told you, the computers that you are using is so dumb. It will just do, at the same time very faithful. So it will just do what you're asking it to do, not more, not less. So it will actually say, I'm tired. So now it's very clear to you how if loop works in Python. A word of warning. You should type if, within brackets only you should type, let's say D is equal to 1. Please note it is not 1 equal in Python, it is 2 equals. You can ask me, in Scratch you put 1 equal here. Why on earth are you putting 2 equals here? My friend, English is different from Hindi, is different from German, is different from Sanskrit, is different from Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, you name it. All these languages are different. They come with their own style and you must stick to that style. Otherwise, the computer will slap you. What do I mean by that? I'll tell you what I mean by that. Instead of print, if I say prnt, you say, and you run here, you'll say, please enter your choice. I will say 1, and you see, name prnt is not defined. It got confused basically. It will show you a lot of unwanted stuff, very scary stuff. You'll start wondering, you'll probably close your laptop and run away. All these entries, don't worry about them. It's quite advanced. In fact, computer gets confused, doesn't know how to react, so it will throw up all these unwanted text. So you should be very careful what to say and what not to say. Let me write it back to print and then play. It's saying, please enter your choice. I enter 1. It does show you enter.